Snow White.
Snow White. Where's that one?
What do you mean? Snow
Tell me.
White? That's Tangled.
Yep.
I've not seen much Tangled stuff either.
It's because it's quite new.
Rapunzel is not new.
It's new for me here. Hannah, we shot in the Princess and Nights. Little Mermaid.
But that was from
I haven't seen this. I've never seen this.
I was here, that's been here since the 90s. That's good. What?
Mira nevado, mira muy nevado. Oye, cuánta cosa. Qué velocidad era.
Mamá, el castillo.
Mira la camisa de bronce. Míralo, Ana, mira Ana, la reina.
Big blue ice castle all around us. She's dead. Is it because it's water? No. We're nothing quiet all of a sudden.
I just don't like the people. All the shops and all that.
We're past the shop, we're going for right. We're going to cross to get to the right.
Mira, mira, mira ahora.
Just hold one of our hands.
Mesdames et messieurs, votre croisière va s'arrêter un court instant. Merci de rester correctement assis dans les bateaux. Ladies and gentlemen, your cruise will start to show from and please remain seated properly inside the boats.
¿Te acuerdas que tenían empezado?
What? What is that?
Did you know that if Jafar never interfered with Jasmine and Aladdin's little walk-arounds, Aladdin would be king anyway, because that's what the diamond in the rough means.
Yep. You just didn't work a bit extra for it.
I wonder what that movie is.
Possibly.
I don't know, it's so difficult. Not that one, that one.
Do you know what used to be there?
What?
The Emerald City.
What happened to Thumbelina?
Exactly, gets no attention. It's beast.
I think Thumbelina's a good movie. I've only seen it once, but I still liked it.
Thumbelina used to be here. Used to have the wee castle from it. But they've kind of replaced it with all the popular stuff.
Yeah. I like the frogs and Thumbelina.
La hot. Spider in the front door.
That's a good picnic, eh?
¿Es como una montaña rusa?
I'm an alien. I'm a genetically modified alien.
Original Sprint 600. Had to see it.